So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to purchase fractional shares of Bitcoin here on Questrade. So you open up Questrade, what I want you to do now is to either go to the bottom left, press on buy and sell, or go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, I want you to type in Bitcoin, just like this. Now, as you can tell, you actually can't purchase like crypto itself or Bitcoin itself, but what you can do is invest in a Bitcoin ETF. So you can scroll through and find a Bitcoin ETF of your choice. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and select ticker symbol BTC. Now, as you can tell, this is not a good example because you actually can't purchase fractional shares. There's no logo. So if I were to go back right here and I were to go search up Bitcoin one more time and then go to the top and search up this iShares iBits1, fractional is in the top right. So you actually can purchase fractional shares and they are available. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on buy. Make sure that limit order is changed to market order. Then where's the total amount, you can type in the amount. So if you wanted to do $2, for instance, you can do that. This is the quantity right here. You can press on review order and then go through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to purchase fractional shares of Bitcoin here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.